Welcome to H-QTV. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step to create account on Mercor, to link, to apply for application, all the documents that you needed. And I'm going to walk you through to the end of this video. Just stick with me to the end of this video and grab whatever you wanted to know about Mercor. So the first thing that we need to know is to create an account on Mercor. That is the first step. Going to bring you to this page, and you are going to see, if you scroll down, you are going to see some jobs. So these are some jobs that you are going to apply to. Once you log in, once you create your account finish, and you verify whatever you want to verify, like you submit your resume, your ID card, it gets approved. So you want to click on start working, and the link is also going to be in this video description. Continue with Google Mail. So I'm going to pause this video and continue later. So your date of birth must be here. Everything must be complete. After that, you make sure that everything is complete, that you've in everything. Just go to save work authorization and continue from there. Upload your, I don't have a resume. So if you don't have a resume, there's a way that you can go past all these things. You don't have a resume, there's a way that you can go past all this. So you can just go and ask. Cloud is going to do this for you. Yes, Cloud is going to create a resume for you in docs format or in PDF format, anyone that you love, but can do the both in case of some application doesn't accept maybe docs or PDF. Maybe some don't accept docs, but a lot of them do accept PDF. Just do both, so to be on the safer side. So I don't have a resume yet, but you are still going to maybe go and update it later. But for now, we are still in the creation mode. So just click on next. So your experience here, you are going to enter your school, Ekiti State University, degree, Bachelor of Science, start year 2025, end year 2028 because it's a 4-year course, CGPA 3.8. So you are going to enter it. Major is microbiology, what you are studying. If you have any work experience, you are going to put it there. You are going to put it there. So I'm going to click on cancel. If you don't cancel it, you are not going to be able to move past this stage. Sure, you understand? You are not going to move past this stage. So you have to cancel for you to complete your profile, and you can come back later to come and update your ads to your education, your work experience. Can still come again once you complete your profile, but make sure that you complete your profile first. So as you can see, my profile has been created. So next, get pre-qualified. So if you want to get pre-qualified, you have to drop your resume. So you have to drop it first here. You want to get qualified. So I can even change my legal name. If you want to change it again, can just change it somewhere Awuyemi. So I'm gonna change it right here, so there's no fear. Since you haven't submit your ID yet, you haven't verified your ID. So let me just walk you through the step. Your LinkedIn URL, you are going to sit under your LinkedIn. Just click on the three bottom menu icon and go to your copy to your this thing, to your profile. You are going to see the link. Just copy it. It's going to be there under your profile, the three icon. You have to complete your profile under your resume. So your resume, this is your resume and your work profile. Once you generate your resume, everything under your resume is going to be generated. So you are going to see it. Work location and work authorization. So this is your location, and your location is, so my location is going to be Ekiti. That is where I'm currently based. Your country, Nigeria, your postal code, you are going to see your postal code on Google. Just type, if you are living in Lagos, for example, just type Lagos postal code you are going to see. You can just use any from Lagos. That's the safest thing for you to do. Availability, just for the work, the time that you are going to be available for you to do the job, maybe from 5 a.m., let me say from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. in the evening. Maybe that is the time that you are going to be available, and the time that you are not going to be available per each day you are also going to put there. As you can see, so this is just it. So working hours, select when you are typically available to work, so you are going to type this. Your work reference is going to be maybe anything. You can just communication. Under communication you are going to see something like this. There's nothing here, just like if they want to communicate with you, your email, your text message, SIM card, but they mostly use email. Don't bother about your SIM card. You save everything to your email. So this is my account. So if you want to delete or if you want to change your email, just come here. If you want to delete your account, maybe you don't like it or you're not getting anything on Mercor, just delete your account. And if you want to change your email, maybe there's a problem with it, just change your email, or you lost your phone, just change your email under here. We are good to go. So the next thing is for us to go to home. So under home, you are going to see contracts, you are going to see offers, you are going to see under applications, you are going to see assessments, you are going to see saved. So if you come to under assessments you are going to see you have to first drop your resume. You have to first drop it for you to be able to see all these things. So I'm going to use my main account as an experience, and you are going to see how the thing is going to look like for it. So welcome back, Samuel. You can see my linking has been linked. So you are going to see, so let's come to, so this home. Under home, we are under assessment for now. Under assessment, you must complete a lot of things for you to be able to be applying for job automatically. So let me see the one that I have applied for. As you can see, for domain expert interview, I've applied and it has been completed. First art interview completed, software mastery interview completed, writing interview completed, bilingual competency completed. So if you want to take this, so anytime that I have time, anytime that I'm gonna have time, I'm going to go to some to do some interview for the job. If I want to take another job next, maybe data science or audio media assessment, can take that based on my job. So general assessment can also take that. So just go through it. So this one is important. And designer application, so if I want to take that, I can take that. Upbreeze interview, and take that. So saved, let's come to saved. I haven't saved anything. So my application is what I already applied for. Guys, you have to pay attention to this place, to under your home here. You have to pay really attention to it. So you are going to see, you can, all this one that is maybe 3 or 4 step completed that I haven't completed, that is showing yellow. So this one ready to submit. This one is ready to submit, but I'm not submitting it. Started on this thing. I haven't even maybe finished it. Maybe that's why. So let's come and see. I've seen a lot of jobs. See a lot. See, it's not easy, guys. I've like, can see all these jobs. I've applied to it. You can see I've applied. Telecommunication expert submitted. Microsoft Word document specialist submitted. Gamers submitted. If you know how to play games, submitted. Generalist 50 per hour submitted. Biologist talent network submitted. I've submitted a lot. Generalist expert 70 per hour submitted. And one of the best things is that you have to become here even though maybe 2 times per week. Let's say you don't have time, just become here, because they are always dropping new job. And one of the opportunity that you can have is that maybe you should just like be among the first people. Once you see the job, maybe they drop it today, you see it maybe tomorrow, like you quickly applied, you can be shortlisted, you can get you can be applied for the job. Yes, because if your skills matches what they are looking for, you are going to get matched for the job. So that is just it. And over, I haven't get any over, like maybe people inviting me to work with them. No, nothing yet, nothing. So explore is where you are going to apply for a lot of job, where you are going to look for a job. So under apply, we have project base. Under project base, we have, if you want to filter it, you can just come here and filter pay rate, location, domain, referral amount. If you want to refer, there are some jobs here, projects that is referral based. If your referral is going, you are going to earn a lot of money, dollars from it. So let's look at priority. So your priority should be newest. If you want to apply for a job, you can see 5 hours ago, 5 hours ago. That is what I'm saying. So there are like some project has been added today. Almost every week project already been added. So if you scroll down, if you, maybe the thing is has finished, just come to 2 year or next. If you click the next button, you are going to see it. So if you go to the second one, you are going to see some jobs that you can apply for. So you are going to see a lot of jobs here that you can apply for, as you can see. So you can also apply for customer success support slash operations evaluators. Can also apply for that just by one click. Let me even teach you. So you can see I already uploaded my resume, completed domain expert interview, and I've already signed work authorization. So just click on submit application. Somewhere we mean customer success slash support operations evaluator. $80 to $120 per hour. I'm not saying I'm going to like get this job. I'm just applying it for the sake of this video. That's what I'm doing, guys. So I've submitted it. As you can see, your application has been submitted. We hear back within 4 weeks. We notify you if your application is selected to move forward. So they are going to know if I'm able to move forward, or they will just leave me behind. That is all what is inside their email. So also you can just go to one time. You want to see some project that is one time. They have higher pay, so you are going to see them under it. And talent network, you are going to also see some projects under it. And let's go to referrals. If you want to invite people, so you are going to see my link. If you want to be your referral, your friend, people you know. So I'm going to click on next. It's going to ask you this. So next. So just come to this video description and click on the link. So N is very important. Once you get job, if you come to your email, you are going to get a job, and you are going to see your earnings dashboard here. You are going to see it. As you can see, I haven't completed any job on this website, but my earnings is showing $0.00, something like that. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks so much. I really appreciate you guys. Those, if you haven't subscribed, make sure that you subscribe. And I'm going to be doing video like this that is going to be paying you. If you like really want to make it, so you are going to like see results. Yes, you are going to, it might be delay. Yeah, it might be delayed, it might take time, months for you to end, but surely you have to end. You have to end online. Make sure you like and comment if you don't understand anything about this video. I'm going to be in the comment section to help, and don't forget to share to more people also to be able to see this video. So I'm going to see you my next video, and make sure you use my referral link to sign up under this video description. See you in the next video, guys.